welcome back to my channel. It's Jamila Michelle. Today I'm giving you guys a green spring inspired eye look with some gems and everything. I'm taking this light blue from the Take Me to Ibiza palette by BH Cosmetics. I thought it was so cute. I'm using those two greens on the lid from the Morphe palette, and then I'm going to clean it up with the Garnier makeup remover. I put my lashes and eyeliner on off camera, and then I just take those two greens and sweep them under the eye. I'm now just taking my favorite foundation by NARS in the color Stromboli and putting it all over my face. And the concealer I'm using is by e.l.f. It's a hydrating camo concealer in the color Light Beige. To set, I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just gonna press that in. I am taking the Morphe palette in the color Debutante to contour my face, and this is probably my favorite bronzer shade by Morphe. I am taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and setting my face. I'm also going to take this shimmer shade from the same contour palette by Morphe to highlight, and I love this shade. It's so cute. Now I'm taking this Tease dark brown shade by NYX and some eyeliner to finish the look. Hope you guys enjoy.